Tubers, what's up? I hope you're having a happy hair day. This is for the guys that's under 25 years old. They call y'all YNs now. If you're still trying to figure out your hair game, what to do, I understand. I want you to stop scrolling on all other videos. This is the one that you need because this video is going to help you maintain your hair, if you still have hair, for when you're 35, 45, 50. I'm about to give you the inside stuff of how to keep your hair, young tuber. Hit it. The first thing you need to do, young tuber, is develop a hair routine. And you're going to use this hair routine for the rest of your life. You're going to wash your hair 2 to 3 times a week. You don't need to wash it daily because if you wash it daily, you're stripping your hair of the natural oils. So wash your hair 2 to 3 times a week. On the third wash, you follow it up with a conditioner. This is a regular conditioner, not a leave-in conditioner, a regular conditioner. And then after that, 3 times a week, you want to use a leave-in conditioner. What this leave-in conditioner will do is it will moisturize your hair, soften it, and make it feel good and help you maintain your hair and prevent it from breaking off. Here's a barber tip for the type of leave-in conditioner that you use. You don't want to use a heavy leave-in conditioner with petroleum in it. You want to use a lightweight leave-in conditioner with something like mineral oil, argan oil, or soybean oil. Next, this is very important. You have to choose the right barber. You want a barber that's going to listen to how you want your hair cut, not a barber that just wants to cut it the way they want to do it. And also, you can bring the barber pictures of the style that you want. And a good barber knows what type of haircuts fit your hair. Like if you have how my head is, where it's slightly flat in the back, a high fade is not going to look good on my head. And here's another pro tip. Loyalty to your barber is everything because your barber knows your head. He or she knows how to cut it. So stay loyal to a barber instead of chair hopping and switching to other barbers because the haircut might not look the same. Okay, this one right here is really for you youngsters because y'all tend to do it. Stop following all the trends on TikTok because some of those trends for haircuts on TikTok, it could be the wrong haircut for you, so you don't look as good. Know your hair, know what fits you best. Now, you may have to go for a couple of different styles before you know which one really fits you, but you don't have to go to everything for TikTok. Your objective is to stay clean, not confused. Here's a barber tip. Trends don't last. They change all the time. Staying clean lasts forever. That's something consistent. Next, fellas, protect your hairline. If you're lining your hair up yourself, stop pushing your hairline back. Some of y'all, you pushing your hairline so far back, you got this big forehead, you got enough forehead, you can make another face. And if you see a barber that pushes hairlines back, do not go to his chair because the more you push your hairline back, the more probability you have of your hair thinning, or when it grows back, it doesn't look right. You want to avoid that. And also, use what brush fits for you. This is a soft bristle brush. This is a good type of brush. You don't want to use a brush that's hard, crunchy. Meanwhile, it's ripping out your hair as you comb it. And then when you dry your hair, do not use these rough towels. Use you a soft towel because a rough towel can tend to pull your hair out. And when you go to sleep at night, use a soft satin pillowcase because this helps with your hair. This helps moisturize your hair. It preserves your hair. It leaves your hair soft and moisturized. Some of those other type of pillows, those things are rough. And don't worry, I'll include a link to some soft satin pillowcases in the description, but these are good for your hair. And fellas, here's another barber pro tip. a lot of ladies like soft satin pillowcases because a lot of men don't have them. So when they come over to your house, they like, ooh, he's an elegant man. He knows about hair. And she don't mind putting her head on your sheets. Now, how many different ways you have her head in your sheets is up to you. But soft satin pillow sheets are good for your hair and good for her. I call it sheet heat. Next, fellas, start thinking long-term about your hair. And when I say long-term, put the right products in your hair. I mentioned it earlier, a leave-in conditioner. Also, you can oil your scalp or massage your scalp. This helps with the hair follicles so they won't fall out. And watch what you eat. Make sure that you drink plenty of water. I recommend 8-ounce glasses of water. Eat plenty of salmon, chicken, and steak. Don't eat steak a whole lot, but these are good things for your hair. Asparagus, broccoli, eggs. These type of foods help you have healthy hair so you can maintain it and it won't fall out. Health is wealth, but health is also good hair. So think about what you're putting in your body. In conclusion, fellas, your hair is everything. It determines how people look at you, what they think. It's very pivotal in your appearance. So learn what styles work for you. Take care of your hair now, youngster, so you'll still have it later. Look at your man, Barber Luther King. I'm almost 50. I got a full head of hair because I took care of it when I was young. Hope this video helped you out. Drop a comment. All the products that I listed, I'm going to leave them in the description. And if you have any questions, leave it in the comment. Thanks for watching me, my youngster. And some of my OGs, I know y'all tuning in too. I'll see y'all in the next video. Ciao!